Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video we are going to be talking about how you can start the Layeredge season 3. Alright, how you can start it ahead of others. Alright, so on this video I'll be guiding you on all you need to do before you can start earning points for this season 3. As we all know, the season 1 and 2 has come and they are currently over, and right now we are waiting for the listing on the 2nd of June. All right, but we are starting the season 3 immediately, like right now. All right, so if you're coming across my channel for the first time, or if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll be updated regularly on all things crypto. Most importantly, use the link right there on the video description box to actually join our Telegram, so that whenever we drop any new information, you'll be the first to know about it. So right now, continuing with the video, so once you have gotten right here, the link is going to be right there on the video description box, or you can still come over here, layeredge.io. so to get started, you click over here that we have ecosystem. Then you are going to be seeing dashboard, extension, and explorer. So you go ahead and click on dashboard. All right, so once you click on dashboard, you are going to be taken to the main page where you are going to be starting your mining, your farming of points, whatever you like to call it. So right now guys, you can see this season 3 is here, which is of course the phase 3, and this is of course our earning for phase 1 and phase 2, which I was able to get just about 3.95 million. So right now guys, we are going to be starting our node right now. So how do we actually start it? We go ahead and of course this is where we are going to be finding our EdgenOS key, and before we can be able to reveal our OS key, we go ahead and click on download EdgenOS. We click on it, so we are going to be taken to the page where we need to add up this extension. You can see EdgenOS Lite node Layeredge. So we click on add it to Chrome. So it is going to be asking us, we'll click OK right now, and in just a moment this is going to be added to part of our extension. So once it is added, we are going to be required to copy our key from the previous page. So right now it has been added right now to our extension. So when I click on my extension button, this is it right here. Okay, EdgenOS Lite node, and you can see this is it right here. It is not running yet, and right now you can see we are asked to put our EdgenOS key here. So how do we actually get our EdgenOS key? We come back right here, and of course we are going to be clicking on reveal my my EdgenOS key. We click on it, and you can see it is now generating our key, right? So you can see successfully EdgenOS key generated successfully. Why am I finding it difficult to pronounce this? So I will click on this right now to actually copy my key. So right now I've copied it right now, so I will come back to this extension right here, EdgenOS Lite node extension. We click on it, and right now we are going to be inserting our key right there. And once we have inserted our key, we are going to be inserting our key right here right now. Okay, and once we have inserted our key, we click on this arrow. Okay, and you can see it is loading right now. You can see your EdgenOS key is connecting right now. Let's wait and see until it's connected. Once it's connected, then we are going to see our point start counting. All right, so let's just give it a little time to load up right here. Okay, so we are just giving it a little time. Let's find out how it's going now. Okay, sorry, I think I opened the wrong extension. All right, right now you can see we have now successfully connected our key right here. So I will go ahead and click on start my node. I will click on it right now, and you can see immediately it has started running. All right, and this is, you can see node connected right now. We are now currently running the phase 3, and of course this is all you need to know literally. So right now when you come back right here right now, you can see in just a moment our node is going to start being active right here. So I will click on this to actually refresh, and you can see right now our node is now active, and immediately we have started earning on the season 3. All right, so guys, this is all you need to know right now, and this is where everything gets even more interesting. Remember, the season 2 and season 1 has come and go. Right now this is the season 3, so this is all you need to know right now. So remember to use the referral link right there on the video description box to actually get yourself started like right now. So if you missed out on the phase 1 and phase 2, do not joke with the phase 3 because it is going to be absolutely amazing. All right, so thank you guys for watching, guys, and if you find the video interesting, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And with that, we are good to go and we are ready to start earning even for many other airdrops. Do not forget to join our Telegram, and thank you for watching the video. I will talk to you on the next video dropping very soon.